and welcome to the vlog. What's today? What's today?
Tuesday.
Tuesday, what date?
Tuesday, March 17th.
Yes, what are we celebrating today?
2026.
Yes, what are we celebrating?
St. Patrick's Day.
Yes, St. Patrick's Day. So, I'm vegan, but you're not 100% vegan, so today's one of the days when we don't, well, I do, but you don't.
I probably wouldn't be eating this if it wasn't for her.
Yeah, Sean insisted on it. So I'm not going to show it since this is a vegan channel. I don't want to gross anybody out. Sean usually does a little dance on St. Patrick's Day. So let's see if we can get him to do a little dance. Sean, you going to do your little Irish dance today for St. Patrick's Day?
Yes.
All right, stand up. Let's see your dance for St. Patrick's Day. All right, stay over there so I can get you on camera. Okay, yeah! Wonderful. Wonderful. Keep going. You got to earn that dinner. If only we had a little bit of music, but I don't want to get any copyright. Whoa! You put a spin move in there? You are incredible.
Wow.
Very nice. Very good. Look at that footwork. Yeah! Fantastic. Sean, the Irish step dancer. He's so proud of himself. What are you doing? All right, you've fulfilled your promise. Thank you very much, sir. Happy St. Patrick's Day, or Happy State Patrick's Day.
What's it? Easter treat food.
Yeah, Easter food. Yes, you will get whatever they're having.
What's it?
All right.
Candy.
Treat. Oh, what kind of candy do you want?
Cream eggs.
Oh, Cadbury cream eggs. What else?
Kit Kat bar.
Kit Kat bar.
Kit Kat bar.
Oh, Kit Kat bar. Anything else?
Oreo Easter.
Oreo Easter? Okay, so I'm assuming that's like a fudge-covered Oreo or something, or...
That me.
Alright, well, enjoy your dinner, and I hope everybody had a nice St. Patrick's Day.
Hey.
Hi, Bowie.
Hi, Mom.
Did you miss me? Oh, I know. We just got home, and he had his Chewy. Now he's all riled up. Yeah, playtime for Bubby. Wonderful.
Playtime.
All right, no barking now. No barking during the recap.
Bowie.
Bowie, no. No.
Lay down.
You need to lay down,
You're
sir.
Play after.
Lay down. Lay down now.
Oh.
Go ahead. No. Lay down. You get a piece of chicken if you lay down.
Oh.
I got your freeze-dried chicken here. Lay down. Lay down. Good boy. All right. What a shopping day we had today. We went to a million places. Or 6. We went to Sam's Club. We went to Target. We went to Ollie's because we got some insider info from our crochet friend, Rosa. We went to Dollar Tree because Sean D wanted his 3 white bags. I don't know why he wanted 3 white bags, but we actually got him 6 white bags because I didn't know if he wanted the small or the medium. If he wanted the large, I'm going to be so pissed. Yeah. I don't think it was, though. It looked like the small. From the picture he showed me. He showed me on the website. I should have taken better notes, but... We also went to Michael's and we went to Aldi. The Ollie, Dollar Tree, Michael's will be on the Granny by Nature Crochet channel for Friday. We did some damage, let's just say. Michael's had a 30% sale on the yarn, and then we had 15% on top of it for sale items too.
We only got a few things, though.
Yeah, we didn't get much at Michael's. We really did the damage at Ollie's. But at Sam's Club today, I got Mark some organic popcorn. We both ended up getting these uglies. It's white peaches and plums dried, and they're ugly, and I guess I'm ugly. I love it. We got some paper, because Shandi goes through paper like nobody's business. This is the cutest thing ever. We got these 3 llamas for baby Bowie. So cute. Actually, they're alpacas. They have crinkles and squeakers, so he's going to have fun doing surgery on those. All the rage right now, it seems like, on Instagram and TikTok are these gauzy blankets. So, yes, I'm guilty of following a trend. My mother would be like, if people told you to jump off a bridge, you jump off a bridge. But she followed some trends too that I pointed out to her, and she was like, no, well, everybody's doing it. It's okay. Yes, that's the point. Crazy. All right, so after Sam's Club, I also got some pool chemicals, but those are still in the car. I don't think you need to see those. What did you get at Sam's Club? You got some interesting stuff.
I got the book Hail Mary.
Oh.
Project Hail Mary.
Are you excited for it?
Yes.
He wants to go out.
Specifically because Sean and I are both going to read it. Which is fun, and then we'll talk about it after.
Oh.
He'll probably read it first because I'm reading Liza's book, and then I'll read it after, and then we'll be able to talk about it.
Okay, sounds good to
And
me.
I got the uglies.
Yeah, I already said you got the uglies too. 0 added sugar. 0. Z-E-R-O. All right. Then we went to Target. Bubby is bridging the gap in between his Chewy orders. I don't think his order is coming until Sunday, and he's all out of his dry dog food, so I just got him a rando bag of this. Although the new dog food, I think that's called Love, that they had was $25 for the same size bag as this. And I said, wow, that looks interesting, but it's too expensive. Too expensive. $25 for, what is this, like 4 pounds? 5 pounds. He already eats like the wet food that they make for him with his name on the box. This is just, you know, filler. He's really wanting to go out. I also got the Starbucks creamer. They had them buy one, get one half off. So, of course, I had to get 2. And I got the maple pecan latte, which is really good. I'm using this right now in my coffee today. And my old favorite, the brown sugar shaken espresso. Delicious. Plus, they had these little, I forget what you call these. The little, what do they call these? All of the hip girls or the hip moms have this for like their beach bags, but this is made for AirPods, so I got one of these. They also had phone cases, but all of the good gibbets that you stick in them were donezo. Plus, I just got a new phone case not that long ago, which I am in love with. I got it at Target, and it's so hot. I love it. So I'm not ready to switch phone cases yet, but I do like that for the AirPods. Also, Aldi, we got some salsa, because tonight's Mexican night. Some bread for the boys and Maddie. Some crinkle cut French fries. I've been so lazy. I've let my sourdough starter die. I'm going to have to start up a new one. Yeah, I shouldn't say lazy. I've been busy. This is for vegetarian pizza. Some cherubs. These were on sale for $1.99. Our favorite artisan lettuce. This also is for Mexican night tonight. A seedless cucumber. Of course, we had burritos for breakfast this morning with the steak tips. So delicious. So I cracked open the Taco Bell mild sauce. I think we got that at Sam's Club. It was only like $5. And I got some more of the mini veggie samosas. We had these for lunch yesterday, and they were so delicious with the sauce, with the dipping sauce. I got Shandi a Reese's Puffs bunny cereal. He's going to love that because he loves Reese's cereal. And I think that's pretty much everything that I got. What am I most excited for? Of course, the gauze blanket and Bubby with the. I want to see him with his toys because he's such a little baby. And when Bubby's happy, everybody's happy. Well, at least Maddie and I are. What can I say? I'm a softie. I'm a dog person. I'm a cat person. I'm a animal person. Doesn't matter what the animal is. I have compassion. So there you go. Oh, hello.
Hello.
Here we go, floating.
Bubby,
You ready to go floating?
Of course, always.
Sean was just asking me about 2027 calendars.
He knows what he wants. He said, what?
What about it, mother?
Yeah. What do you know?
Exactly. So it's Thursday night, Thursday evening. It's not night. What's considered night?
I don't know, like after 7.
Oh, after 7? Are you sure about that, or you just made that up?
I just made it up.
Do you know?
Let's consult the internet.
All right. Consult the internet. We'll get 7 different answers. Anyway, it's Thursday.
It's been a busy day.
It has been a busy day. We've been crocheting. You went and got your husband's car inspected.
Well, I accompanied him.
Right. Well,
Luckily,
you didn't do it single-handed.
fast.
Yeah. Hopefully, yours will also in a couple of months.
Hope so.
This is what AI is telling us.
What does AI say?
This is Google.
Boo AI.
Google.
Evening generally ends between 9 p.m. and midnight, marking the transition
What?
to nighttime.
That seems crazy.
Yeah.
Wow.
You can't trust AI.
No. Well,
You got some shout outs?
we do have some shout outs. We have quite a few, actually.
let's hear 'em.
Well, not a lot, but today, on this day, we have none other than Susan Chow.
Susan, happy birthday.
Susan.
Birthday.
Was born in 1957.
Oh my goodness.
So how old is Susan this year?
30.
Yeah. 30?
That's a great answer. I believe it's
30.
69.
69, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
Happy
almost
birthday,
the big 7-0.
Susan. That's wonderful.
Mm-hmm.
I hope I make it to 69.
I mean, I hope so.
I know. Well, I mean, people are dying younger and younger.
All right,
Okay,
let's
let's
not.
not go there.
We're talking about people's birthdays here.
Okay.
Wah, wah.
Sorry, I
Debbie
didn't
Downer
mean to
over
be Debbie
here.
Downer. But all I'm saying is
No.
it's not guaranteed.
Okay.
Okay. So now
All I'm saying.
sorry, the Queens girl came out there for a second. Get back in there, Queens girl. Okay.
Next.
On Saturday.
Oh,
Oh,
Bubby.
somebody drank a
Too
little
much
too
water.
fast.
Bubby. Baby.
On Wednesday.
No, on Saturday.
Mm-hmm.
We have twin birthday shout outs. First off, we have Rhonda Cates.
Rhonda, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Rhonda. Rhonda is, I'll do the math for you since it's super simple, is 64.
Happy birthday.
Will you still love me? Will you still need me when I'm 64? Let us
Sure.
know, Rhonda. I like that when they have the little tie-ins.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, also on Saturday is Teresa.
Teresa, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Teresa. That's my
No
sister.
info?
No info.
Oh, okay.
No. And that's it.
Okay.
That wasn't too bad.
No.
I hope all of the birthday recipients and the ones that we did not mention are living their best day, week, month, year, lifetime of birthday happiness.
Absolutely.
It's almost time for my first dog's birthday.
Oh, Princey?
Yes.
I just saw a beautiful
Irish?
Irish setter
Mm-hmm.
online the other day. I was like, oh, that looks like Princey.
Yeah.
He was out and about for St. Patrick's Day.
Princey was very beautiful.
Yes.
He had the most luxurious red fur.
Mm-hmm.
And it was such a beautiful color.
That's what Granny was always saying. When's his birthday?
His birthday is March 29th.
Oh, wonderful.
I'm surprised Grandy didn't try to dye his hair when he got older.
Oh.
Keep it red.
Well, Princey would have been 50.
In human years.
51
Daddy,
this year.
there's a new printer.
Yes, you got. Daddy's gonna set up your new printer. Sean's
Maybe next
old
week.
printer. What? You're not getting out of here tomorrow unless that printer is set up. You're not
Yes,
leaving me
it's
with
gonna
that
be
tomorrow.
Back off, lady.
Yeah, it's gonna be a lot tomorrow. Look, he's already cleaning off a spot for you.
Oh my god. But 51 in human years. That's crazy.
51 in human years, yeah. Because we got Princey. Let's see.
So you were what, 10?
I was 10, but Adam, my nephew, my first nephew,
Mm-hmm.
was born 2 days or so after we got Princey.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so it was like double babies.
Aw. Cute.
So they grew up together.
That's very cute.
Yeah, because they didn't have a dog. They had cats.
Mm-hmm.
They didn't have a dog until much later.
Yes. And now they have a bunch.
Yeah,
Good
now
for
they
them.
have quite a few. Quite a few. They've thinned the herd down to 4. But they did have as many as 5 at one time.
Yeah.
So
Sounds wonderful.
it does. It does. But those vet bills,
Yeah, that's a whole other thing.
that's a whole other thing. But as far as puppy love goes, yeah, that's amazing.
Yeah.
So
Very lucky.
I think that's the end of the vlog.
that's the end of the vlog. But I just wanted to make sure everybody knows that we're putting up a new crochet video tomorrow if they're interested on the Granny by Nature crochet channel.
Yes.
We ordered our stuff for our new setup and it is arriving.
So we can talk about that tomorrow. That'll be fun.
Yeah, we can talk about that tomorrow. We also ordered a lavalier microphone
I forgot about that.
for our camera.
Fun.
It came today,
Mm-hmm.
but I didn't open it yet because I'm a little afraid.
Maybe we can play around with that tomorrow too.
We can play around with that tomorrow, so I'm excited for that because a lot of times people say that they can't hear.
And if the video has no audio tomorrow,
Well,
you'll know what
obviously,
happened.
we're gonna have to make sure it works.
Yeah, of course.
All right, and if it doesn't, it's going back.
Mm.
Yes, I can.
Yes, I can. All right, take it away.
I believe in myself. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow if you watch the Crochet Channel.
Yeah.
Have a great weekend, and until next time.
Much love. Bye, everybody.